Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we break down trending products and online offers to let you know what's real and what's a ripoff. Today we're checking out the Horsepower GiddyUp Grill Cleaner. It's been popping up all over social media, promising a spotless grill in seconds. But is it really worth your money, or just another flashy gimmick? Let's find out. The Horsepower GiddyUp Grill Cleaner is marketed as a high-pressure steam tool that cuts through grease and grime without scrubbing. Sounds amazing for BBQ lovers, right? It claims to clean your grill in seconds with zero effort. But as always, we dug a little deeper before firing up our wallets. First off, the build quality? Meh. Several users reported receiving a flimsy plastic device that leaked steam or barely worked after 2 uses. And while the ads show it blasting through thick grease, in reality, many users say you still need to scrub manually, a lot. It might remove some surface residue, but it's no wand. Now here's where it gets shady. The product is sold through multiple pop-up websites with no return policy, no customer service number, and vague shipping info. On Trustpilot and Reddit, reviews range from totally useless to cheap knockoff of an already cheap tool. People waited 3 to 4 weeks for delivery, only to receive something that barely resembles the item in the ad. For around $40 to $60, you're essentially paying premium price for dollar store performance. You can find similar steamers or grill brushes from trusted brands on Amazon or in hardware stores, with actual reviews and warranties. So the question is, why gamble? Our verdict on the Horsepower GiddyUp Grill Cleaner? Not worth it. The hype doesn't match the performance. The sellers aren't transparent, and you're likely to end up with disappointment and burnt ribs. If you're serious about grilling, invest in quality tools, not viral fads. Have you bought the GiddyUp Grill Cleaner or something similar? Let us know in the comments. Your experience could help someone else avoid a scam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe, stay smart. This is Online Scam Advisor, signing off. Thank you.